I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect cup of Nescafé Clásico instant coffee. Check the description if you want the steps to how to make it instantly. Otherwise, I'm just going to show you. Instant coffee is convenient and it's cheap, and Nescafé Clásico is pretty delicious for instant coffee, at least in my opinion. First, you need to follow the directions. It's pretty simple. 1 teaspoon of instant coffee per 6 ounces of water. We are going to make 9 ounces of instant coffee, so it's a little awkward. I have to use a teaspoon and a half. 9 ounces is a scoop and a half. That's 1. The half scoop, I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. Alright, now I'm going to pour my hot water in here. How much to fill it up for 9 ounces? Okay, so that's about 9 ounces. Alright, so far it's pretty straightforward. All I'm doing is following the instructions on the instant coffee container. I recommend some sort of creamer and sugar combination with a flavor instead of doing cream and sugar separately. For this one, Coffee Mates Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You do 1 teaspoon of this per 3 fluid ounces of instant coffee. So since we have 9 fluid ounces of coffee in here, we're going to do 3 teaspoons. Alright, now I'm going to stir it. Done.